can and you will. My name is Sinako We, and welcome to yet another video of the Sinako We Can movement. It always excites me to meet new people, and the Sinako We Can movement tours always afford me this opportunity. With this particular tour, I was even more excited to find the attendees anxiously waiting for me. We kicked off the tour outside the court, where I started off by explaining the thought process behind the court's architecture and the symbolism found in and around the court. I then led the group inside the Constitutional Court of South Africa, which is filled with a unique collection of artwork. This artwork contributes to education, critical debate and research on the roles of the Constitution and the court. First to give a talk to the group was Silomo Khumalo, who is blind and also works as a law researcher at the Constitutional Court of South Africa. Second speaker for the day was Debo Homologo, who is also a law researcher at the court. We then moved from the court into what we call the Judges' Lounge. Here, I introduced the group to Justice Cameron, who had a few words to share with the group and important lessons about the rich history of this country and democracy. At the end of the talk by Justice Cameron, the group expressed their views and experience of the tour, and this is what they had to say.
It has been a wonderful day. We got to meet the judge and to sit on the judge's lounge. And really what I loved more was to learn more about our society, the formation of the Constitutional Court, and I found this tour to be really informative and educational and very inspiring. I would love all other law students and any other young person to be involved in this.
I am so inspired, and I'm inspired to do more, to be myself, to just break boundaries and do the impossible, because one of the speakers said that the world you are born into a world with possibilities, not impossibilities. So I'm just so inspired to go out there and reach my greatest potential while also just inspiring other people to do the same.
Really groundbreaking and mind-provoking, so I really enjoyed being here. Thank you.
I found Sinako she did a great job today, just taking us around, open to answering any questions, and just inspiring us to become better people and contributing to the bigger picture in society. And introducing us to Judge Edwin Cameron, that was very inspirational. So yes, I recommend that if you get the opportunity, do come through, and it's really worthwhile.
I've learned a lot, and it has been an awesome experience. I saw the Constitutional Court, and I've learned a lot from Sinako.
And I think what I got the most, the one word that I can summarize today is Ubuntu. That does it for me. Thank you.
I also asked Tumelo Finger, who happens to be a friend of the movement, to have a few words with the group, and caught up with him afterwards on camera to share why he is a friend of the movement.
I'm a friend of the movement because I think it's important that we give back. I have the inclination that we achieve so that we could inspire other people to achieve. It's not easy being a young black lawyer in a corporate environment where it's often seen impossible that you can achieve the best of the best. So I'm a friend of the movement because I believe in the vision that we ought to give back to our fellow people, aspirant legal practitioners. And I just want to see people that are younger than me, people that are much more inspired than I thought I was a couple of years ago, do great. And just want to see people succeed and do well.
My name is Sinako We, and thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. To follow the movement, please search Sinako We on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram for the latest updates on tours and the movement.